is already integrated on the side. So this mentor is context aware. So whatever content is inside these pages within the course, the mentor can actually answer about. So we'll select the first one here. And once we have the PDF open for this, we can start asking the mentor questions about it. And again, since this is context aware, we can ask it anything about the content on this specific page. In this case, I'm going to use one of the pre-selected options in these little buttons. So I'm going to hit summarize key takeaways. And what this is going to do is evaluate the contents of this PDF and provide you with information that summarizes the page. So now if we want to summarize the entirety of this specific page, we can get that information as well. Again, that first tab there had a couple of different options. You can also chat with the mentor directly without having to select a prompt. And you can see here, this summarizes the page. Now, if we wanted to translate the page, there are a couple of different options we can translate from. I'm going to select French here. And what this is going to do is take the contents of the page and translate it into French. This might be helpful for users who are not speaking English as their first language, or if they're taking an English or a different language class and they don't really understand the materials, it can translate it into English, so on and so forth. Now, after this, we can go to the Expand tab, and what this is going to do is expand on the materials that we find in this Course tab. So in this case, we're going to be expanding upon this Colliding Cultures deck that we have here. And you can see that this is providing an expanded version of what we're learning. Now, again, we can also chat with the mentor as a normal learner would without having to select one of these prompts. You can also use a suggested prompt. You can select from these suggested prompts, which are essentially prompts that have been pre-created that the user can select from in case they don't know exactly where to start. And here you can see that they've provided an answer from one of those suggested prompts. And then if we want to go down to the end here, there's also what we call guided prompts. These are generated based on the conversation history. We can also select one of these. And we can get an answer back essentially the same way we do with these other tabs. Alrighty. And that's basically how this mentor integration works in Canvas.